everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So we have a bit of a different setup today. If you guys can see, this is not my room. I'm currently in Cabo, Mexico, and yeah, it's been a great vacation so far. So sorry if there's noises, the birds. I think I have a little monkey in this tree behind me, but we haven't seen him for sure. But sorry if there's noises, the breeze, the cars. I went back and forth debating whether I wanted to film this video or not, but I decided, you know, it's real, it's here, it's something different, we're changing it up. Today's video is about why vacations are crucial for content creators, for creatives, really for anyone, honestly. Clicking on this video, you're like, of course, vacations are nice, they're a luxury, wish I could take more, but I'm not just talking about, you know, luxurious vacations like going to Mexico or going to Europe. Like, I'm just talking about breaks in general and why I found on this trip that it was so crucial for me. And leading up to this trip, I was like, I need this break. And here is why vacations are not just a luxury, but also necessary. First off, if you're watching my videos, you probably are a hustler and you like to get things done and you like to stay busy and you like to be productive and feel on top of it all, or you're working towards being more productive, whatever it is. The only problem with being a hustler is that our bodies and you are not created to constantly be grinding, constantly be, you know, working and never taking a time off. Like, our bodies need breaks and we crave breaks, and that's why we crave vacations. We crave a different atmosphere for a day or a few days or a week. This has become something really obvious to me, like in high school with fellow students, and then I also got an email from a girl this week, and I emailed her a few weeks back and she got back to me while I was here, and she said, you know, sorry I didn't get back to you sooner. I actually worked myself too hard and got really sick and I'm recovering. And I was just like, oh my goodness, like I can totally relate, because it's like high school, like after finals week, like everyone's done. We're checking in early, checking out late, we don't feel good, we just want to stay home in our beds and relax, which is, you know, if you're in high school or college, you may understand this too. Like when you push yourself so hard and then finally when everything's done and you let your guard down, you get so sick. And it's your body saying like, hello, like I need to recover, like please help me here. And so I've just noticed this so often in my own school, and then the girl sending me that email, and I was just like, oh my goodness, this needs to be something we talk about. Like, people, obviously, yes, being productive, getting things done, not being lazy, like that's all great. But there's also a time where you can push yourself too hard and you can hustle too hard, and we were not always made to constantly be hustling. So keep this in mind, and that's why breaks or vacations are needed. And when I say vacation, it does, like I said, doesn't have to be an elaborate vacation. It could just be, you know, a weekend where you take a break and you turn off social media, you turn off your notifications for email, like you just take a rest. That is so hard for me to do, and I cannot do that. Actually, I usually have to travel somewhere and put myself in a place where I can physically relax and not think about work. And so that's something I've personally been working on this vacation, is just being okay. Like, Hannah, you always get it done. It's gonna be okay. Like, chill, just chill. Enjoy the birds, enjoy the mangoes, chill. Anyway, that's still point number one, is you need rest because you don't wanna work yourself to sickness. Number two, why vacations or breaks are crucial is because they rejuvenate you. They give you more creativity. That's something I really noticed. Like, I wouldn't have filmed this video. I'm putting together a little package about travel vlogging while I'm here. Like, I have all these ideas that being in another country, being in another atmosphere, just being on a break has really showed me, and it's really spiked that creativity. And so when I get back home, I'm like ready to go. And so if you're a creative blogger, YouTuber, just creative person, you may find yourself lacking in creativity some days. You know, you have that writer's block or YouTuber's block or whatever it is. And a great way to combat that is by taking a break, to taking some time off, to try something new, go to a new area in your town, in your city, try new places, and kind of spike that creativity again. And then my last tip why I think vacations and breaks are crucial are because you can stock up on that content. And you may not want to do this on your break, and that's totally understandable. Like, if you don't want to have to worry at all about taking pictures, you kind of want to live in the moment, that's awesome. I get my picture and then I live in the moment, if that makes sense. Like, I am like, okay, great picture, done. Putting my phone away for the rest of the day or the rest of the evening. Because for me, what I like using breaks and vacations to stock up on content that I normally wouldn't get back home in Tennessee. So like spring break and summer's coming up, so I'm taking tons of pictures of palm trees and the ocean and beautiful fruits and smoothies so that I have some content to post, you know, in the next few months when people are craving to see tropical places on their Instagram feed, right? So I'm trying to stock up on these photos, get pictures that match my theme, to get some cool outfit shots, just so I have content, because honestly back home, it's rainy, it's gross, and I won't get that much good content probably. We're like 3/4 way through my trip and I've taken almost 500 photos. And that's just from like so many shots. Like my brother takes of my picture, like we'll probably take 100 shots for just one picture. And that's what I told my brother to do. I'm like, just keep taking the photos and then I'll go through them and find one that I like. So a lot of it comes from that. But vacations and breaks and traveling to new places are a great way to get more content that you wouldn't be able to get back home, and hopefully introduce kind of a new audience to your Instagram, because, or to your world, because if you're posting on Twitter, Instagram, or Snapchat, you know, any social media with like a geotag where you're posting where you're from, then though you wouldn't normally put that geotag or that location on your photo, and so people from that location will see it, and it brings you all these new followers or people that are seeing your content that normally wouldn't if you hadn't put the location or the geotag. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was helpful and not just me talking like in this little backyard area of our house. If you guys are interested in seeing more of my trip, I am doing vlogs. I'm not really sure if they're daily vlogs or it's gonna be one big vlog. I don't even know how much footage I have. Also, if you guys want to see my Instagram stories from the trip, even though when I upload this I'm gonna be back home, if you go under my travel highlights on my Instagram, you can see all of my pics and all of the videos and stories I posted. Comment below where your dream destination to travel would be. I'm really curious. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Peace out. I had my sunglasses on that whole time, so I don't know how dark the lighting was.